Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for probability. Kindly refers to the question. A car insurance company offers two types of insurance plan for the privately owned car. Name the plan X and Y. For a random sample of 60 clients for each insurance plan, the numbers of claims is given in the following table. So in here they mentions that here we have 60 for each. So if we sum up, we will have for the yes, where we have 83 and then we have 37. So total up, we will have 120. Let A be the event that no claim is made by the client. Event B, event that the customer take the plan X. So A, find the probabilities that A intersect B. So refers to the situation, they say the event that no claim is made by the client. So focus on the no column. Next, B, the event that the customer take the plan X. So refers to the no claim and then plan X. So in here, we have the situation 22 over 120. So after we simplify, and we will have 11 over 60. That is the probability for the A. For the question B, where we have probabilities that A complement union B. So kindly refers to the Venn diagram where we have A and B. So name the situation 1, 2, 3, 4 based on the region. So in here, they said A complement union B. So here we have A complement, then we have the B. Kindly name the number. A complement means that outside the A, where we have 1 and 4. Refers to the B, where we have 3 and 4. So union, so the result will be 1, 3, and 4. Kindly shaded the region. Based on the Venn diagram, we notice that we have to eliminate the 2. So in here we have probabilities that A complement union the B, which is equals to 1 minus. So in here we have the probabilities that A minus the probabilities that A intersect B. So for this part, actually is equals to the region 2. So kindly substitute where we have 1 minus probabilities for A, where we have no claim. So means that we have 37 over 120 minus A intersect B, refers to the question A, where we have 22 over 120. So 37 minus 22, where we have 15 over 120. So here we will have 1 minus 15 over 120. So 15 over 120, which is equals to 1 over 8. So 1 minus 1 over 8, so we will have the answer 7 over 8 for the question B. Kindly refers to question C. Given that the chosen client did not make any claim, so means that no claim. Find the probabilities that the insurance plan taken was plan X. So means that in here we have the probabilities that B, given that A has occurred. So refers to the situation. So by the condition probability, where we have B intersect A over the probabilities for A. So refers to A intersect B, which is the part A, where we have 22 over 120 over the probabilities for A, meaning that no claim. So 37 over 120. So refers to the situation where we have 22 over 37. So by refers to the D, determine whether the event make a claim. So let's say we name it as C, which is the yes. And the types of each insurance plan taken are independent. So in B, we said they're taking the plan X. So for this one, we said D, which is refers to the plan Y. So means that we have to test for those who claiming. So number one, we have to find the probabilities that B intersects C. So refers to the situation column where we have yes for the plan X, where we will have 38 over 120. So if we simplify, we will have 19 over 60. So that is the situation for B intersect C. Next, the probabilities that B multiply with the probabilities for C. Probabilities for B, which refers to the plan X, where we have 60 over 120, multiply with the C, which is the yes column, where we have 83 over 120. So by refers to the calculator, where we will have 83 over 240. So notice that probabilities that B intersect C is not equals for probabilities for B multiply with the probabilities for C. So we can say B and C are dependent. continue. We are going to for the plan Y. So in here, we have the probabilities that C intersect with the D. So again, probabilities for C, which means that refers to the column yes. And taking the plan D means that the plan Y, where we have 45 over 120. Or you may express 3 over 8. Probabilities for C multiply with the probabilities for D. Probabilities for C refers to the yes plan. So where we have 83 over 120 multiply with the probabilities for D means that refers to the plan where we have the refers to the column Y, which is 60 over 120. So if we simplify, so we will have the situation 83 over 240. So from here we notice that the probabilities for C intersect D is not equals to probabilities for C multiply for the probabilities for D. So we can say C and D are dependent.